Hello friends, after completing our question number 1 to question number 14, let's start next question number 15. Okay, so 1 upon x power 4 minus 1, well, x raised to 4 and minus 1. So we cannot solve this sum as a x square whole square minus 1 and x square minus 1 formula, but अगर यहाँ पर x है, so we can solve. If here x, तो x square and square minus 1 and x square equal to, we can take t. तो x square equal to t, तो 2x dx. तो x dx equal to 1 by 2 and possible, okay? But there is no x in the numerator. 1 upon x power 4 minus 1 equal to. Then there is a minus sign, so obviously factorization. X square minus 1 and x square plus 1 dx. Right? X square minus 1 and x square plus 1 dx. Now x square minus 1. Again factorization. X minus 1, x plus 1 and x square plus 1 as it is and dx. चलो अगर सम इतना ही होता तो मेथड नंबर 3, a upon x plus 1 and bx plus c. But now x square type 1 bracket and another 2 brackets x type. So a upon b upon and this bracket is c upon, sorry, cx plus d upon. A upon b upon and cx plus d upon. Understood? Now taking one upon x minus 1 x plus 1 into x square plus 1 equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 and plus cx plus d upon x square plus 1. Now our target A, B, C, D, 4 things. Okay? So next work, multiplying both these sides by denominator. Multiplying both the sides by denominator is x minus 1, x plus 1 and x square plus 1. So here left only 1. A into 1, 2, 3. बराबर 3 bracket multiplying right side. तो here multiply, तो x minus 1 cancel and a into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Plus b into, here x plus 1, तो x plus 1 cancel, x minus 1 into x square plus 1. And plus cx plus d. x square plus 1 cancel, तो x minus 1 and x plus 1, तो कर दो combine, x minus 1 into x plus 1, we can write x square minus 1. Are ready? So this is our equation number 2. Now this bracket equal to 0, तो x equal to 1. This bracket equal to 0, तो x equal to minus 1. And this bracket equal to 0, तो x square equal to minus 1, which is not possible. It means two values of x are possible. So by using these two values of x, we can find a, b, c, out of this a, b, c, d, any two data. So but how to find another two data? By using equation number 3. Okay, so getting the equation number 3. And how to get the equation 3? So multiplication right side, 1 equal to here a, first these two products, x multiply with both, x cube plus x cube plus x plus 1 multiply with both, so plus x square plus 1. Ready? Now b. Multiplication is x multiply with both, so x cube plus x, बराबर, x cube plus x. Now minus 1 multiply to minus x square and minus 1. Ready? And now these two. चलो यहाँ पर तो कोई मल्टीप्लीकेशन नहीं है, तो डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई, cx मल्टीप्लाई विथ बोथ, तो cx क्यूब माइनस cx dx square and minus d. Ready? Now a multiply b multiply and this data as it is, so 1 equal to a multiply ax cube ax square a. Ready? Now b multiply bx cube plus bx minus bx square and minus b. Ready? And other data as it is, plus cx cube minus cx plus dx square and minus d. So here higher power is 3. So 3 power, 2 power, 1 power and constant. Therefore 1 equal to ax cube, bx cube and cx cube. X cube common. So a plus b plus c into x cube. Now square. So plus and x square common. So a, x square common, a then minus b plus d. Now x common. So a, x common, then a plus b minus c and constant terms plus a minus b minus d. Ready? This is our equation number 3. Ready? Now two values we can find directly, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. If x equal to 1, putting in equation 2, or putting x equal to 1, so left side is 1 equal to x equal to 1, so here putting 1, so 1 minus 1 0, so this data 0, and here putting 1, so 1 minus 1 0, so this data 0. First term left, putting here x equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 2, and here also 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 2 4, so 4a. A equal to 1 by 4. We need 4 data, only 1 data ready, A ready. Now D, so second value x equal to minus 1. Okay, if x equal to minus 1. Now putting x equal to minus 1 in the equation number 2. So x equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. Then last term, putting here minus 1. So minus 1 square is plus 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. First ne last 0. Now middle left. Here putting minus 1, so minus 1 square. नहीं यहाँ पर स्क्वायर तो नहीं है ना, ओके ओनली माइनस 1. ओके, तो -1 -1 -2, तो b into -2 and minus 1 square is a plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. Repeat करते हैं. Minus 1 putting here तो minus 1 plus 1 0. So this data 0. And minus 1 putting here तो minus 1 square is a plus 1 and 1 minus 1 0. First and last 0. Now middle left. Minus 1 minus 2. And minus 1 square is a plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So minus 4b. Therefore, b equal to minus 1 by 4. So A and B ready. Now, we need C and D. Okay. Just two values we can use. To find the value of C and D, we have to use the equation number 3. And A and D are non-value. And must remember, left side only constant term is 1 is given. So coefficient of x cube is 0 this side, coefficient of x square 0, coefficient of x 0, only constant equal to 1. Okay? So in equation number 3, comparing the coefficient of x cube, so a plus b plus c equal to 0, and putting a b, तो c ready. आपको परफेक्ट लिखना है कि कंपेयरिंग द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब. ओके, तो a प्लस बी प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. तो c इक्वल टू माइनस ए एंड माइनस बी और नॉट. तो c इक्वल टू बराबर c a एंड बी टेकिंग अदर साइड, तो माइनस ए एंड माइनस बी. ओके, माइनस ए तो माइनस 1 by 4 एंड माइनस बी तो माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 by 4. इट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ c इज 0. डन. And then in equation 3, चलो एबीसी रेडी. अभी क्या यूज करें, कोई भी यूज करो. चलो लास्ट टर्म कंपेयर करते हैं. ए माइनस बी माइनस डी, ए माइनस बी माइनस डी इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म ना, तो कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म इज 1. वी आर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ डी. तो टेकिंग डी अदर साइड एंड 1 अदर साइड, तो d equal to a minus b and minus 1. It means a minus b taking one other side and equal to d. Therefore, d equal to बराबर d other side and one other side, a minus b as it is. So d equal to a minus b minus 1. So d equal to a is a 1 by 4 minus b is a minus 1 by 4. So minus minus plus 1 by 4 and minus 1. तो d इक्वल टू 4 LCM and 4 here multiply, तो 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Ready? A, B, C, D all ready now. Putting the value of A, B, C, D in equation number 1. Therefore, this is equation 1. 1 upon 1, 2 and 3 brackets. 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 1 and x square plus 1 equal to a upon x minus 1, and a is a 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 upon x minus 1. b upon x plus 1. b is a minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 upon x plus 1. प्लस सी एक्स प्लस डी. सी इज ए 0, तो 0 इंटू एक्स, ये तो इजी हो गया. 0 इंटू एक्स 0 प्लस डी, डी इज ए माइनस 1 by 2. ओके, तो माइनस 1 by 2 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 1. टेकिंग बोथ दी साइड्स इंटीग्रेशन, तो इंटीग्रेशन 1 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 1 एक्स प्लस 1 एंड एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 1 डी एक्स equal to integration 1 by 4 upon x minus 1 minus common 1 by 4 upon x plus 1 minus common 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Ready? So here 1 by 4 common and log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 common log mod x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 1 upon x square plus 1 integration 1 by a tan inverse x by a means tan inverse x and plus c. So here 1 by 4 common. If 1 by 4 common, तो positive term log a minus negative term is a log b. तो log a upon b. So log a upon b mod of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x and plus c. Or chalo, this is a 3 or 4 marks. Okay, done. चलो तो one sum over number 15. Next number 16. 1 upon x into x raised to n plus 1. तो x power is n. तो n power तो कोई भी मेथड अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, बराबर. x square then possible, whole bracket square then possible, but x power n then not possible. So if any time in any sum there is a n power, then must take t, x power n equal to t, fix. Okay. Yeah. And reason is x raised to n equal to t. So derivation is n into x raised to n minus 1 dx equal to 1 and dt. Okay. Now n into x raised to n minus 1. N is a constant. X raised to n minus 1 equal to, can we write x raised to n and x raised to minus 1? N, x raised to n, x raised to minus 1 is upon x or not? So we have only 1 upon x and dx. 1 by x and dx. So upon x and dx, so take both the term downside. 1 by x and dx. 1 by n x raised to n dt. So 1 by x dx. 1 upon n and x raised to n is a t dt. Ready? So any sum there is a x power n, then one thing fixed, ki either take x power n equal to t or x power n plus 1 equal to t, but in this sum x power n equal to t. Okay. चलो तो taking x raised to n equal to t, so derivation n x raised to n minus 1 dx 1 dt, and x raised to n minus 1 means x raised to n into x raised to minus 1 dx 1 dt, and x raised to n and x raised to minus 1 means 1 upon x dx and 1 dt. We have only 1 upon x and dx. So 1 upon x and dx equal to 1 upon x and dx equal to 1 by n x raised to n dt. So 1 by x dx equal to 1 upon n and x raised to n equal to t dt. Now putting all data in our integration, so equal to 1 by x and dx, 1 by x and dx equal to 1 upon n into t and dt. And now this bracket x power n is a t, so t plus 1. Understood? Now, what is n? N is constant. We can take outside. N integration 1 upon t into t plus 1 dt. Now here, by using two methods, we can solve this sum. Either multiply, नहीं, 3 methods. थर्ड वाली जो न्यू मेथड है ना वो हम करेंगे. 1 upon t into t plus 1 है. तो फर्स्ट मेथड t मल्टीप्लाई, तो t मल्टीप्लाई तो t स्क्वायर प्लस t, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मेथड, बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर इज 1. 1 upon t स्क्वायर प्लस t, तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मेथड. ओके. मेथड नंबर 2, पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन. पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन मेथड 1. 1 upon t into t plus 1 equal to a upon t and b upon t plus 1. Possible? Now third method. And जो आपके माइंड में ये होनी चाहिए, मैं ऐसे कभी भी आपको ऐसा कोई सम मिले या कोई स्टेप्स आए, ठीक है, ऐसे तो आपके माइंड में वो एक माइंड आपका चलना चाहिए कि चलो ये भी हो सकता है, लाइक इंटीग्रेशन 1 अपॉन टी इंटू टी प्लस 1 है, तो 1 प्लस टी एंड माइनस टी एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट t into t plus 1 t into t plus 1. So easy. Here 1 plus t cancel and only left 1 by t, and here t cancel and 1 upon t plus 1 and dt. Very easy. 1 by n. Now this integration log mod t minus log mod t plus 1 bracket complete and then plus c and putting the value of t log mod, what is t? X raised to n minus log mod x raised to n plus 1 plus c, and we know that log a minus log b, so log mod a upon b. And here sum over. ओके, चलो क्वेश्चन में लिख लेता हूं. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नंबर 17 cos x upon 1 minus sin x 2 minus sin x sin cos, तो taking sin x equal to t, तो cos x dx equal to dt. ओके, taking sin x equal to t, so cos x dx equal to 1 dt. Putting all data in our integration. Now equal to cos x dx equal to 1 and dt, or 1 minus t and 2 minus t. Ready? Now here two methods are possible. तो यहां पर तो जो न्यूमरेटर इज 1, इट मींस ओनली परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इजी होगा आपके लिए. वी कैन यूज हियर पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन मेथड. मेथड नंबर 1, 2 ब्रैकेट्स a अपॉन एंड b अपॉन, पॉसिबल. ओके, चलो आपको कोई भी करना हो. ओके, तो चलो हम जो इजी मेथड है, टाइम सेविंग मेथड, वो हम यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, हाँ, मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 multiply with both 2 minus t and minus t multiplying both, तो minus 2t and plus t square and dt. So 1 upon t square minus 2t minus t minus 3t and plus 2 dt. Now if midterm is minus 3t, what can we say about the last term? t square coefficient is 1 and this is the 7.4 method. तो लास्ट टर्म क्या होगा आपका? 9 by 4. So plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 and plus 2 as it is. 1 upon, this is t minus 3 by 2 whole square. And 4 LCM, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 4 and dt. Taking t minus 3 by 2 equal to u. 1 dt, 1 du. Putting all data, 1 dt equal to 1 and du. This term bracket is our u, so u square minus 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 square. So this is a formula or not? So what is your formula? 1 upon x square minus a square. Formula number 2. 1 by 2a. What is your a? 1 by 2. Log mod x minus a, x means u minus a means 1 by 2, and u plus 1 by 2, and plus c. 2 cancel here, only log mod. Now putting the value of u, so what is the value of u? T minus 3 by 2. So u is a t minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 upon t minus 3 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 and plus c. And now putting the value of t. So what is the value of t? T is a sin x. Okay? So one more step and then putting the value of t. Log mod. 2 LCM and cut. Here 2 LCM and cut. अदरवाइज एक काम करते हैं, इन दोनों में अगर हम एलसीएम ले तो ओनली इन टू, तो यहां पर 2 एलसीएम होगा, तो -3 एंड -1 -4 बाई 2 -2, तो t -2 रेडी, एंड हियर 2 एलसीएम, तो -3 plus 1 -2 by 2 is a -1, तो t -1 and plus c, so equal to log mod. What is the value of t? Sin x -2 upon sin x -1 and plus c, and this is our final answer. Next 17 over, right? 18 एक बाकी रखो, क्योंकि 18 is a lengthy sum, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, तो उसके हम क्या करते हैं कि 19 and 20 दो सम ले रहे हैं, ठीक है? चलो 19 2x अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एंड x स्क्वायर प्लस 3, क्या करें? x स्क्वायर डेरिवेशन इज 2x, तो x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टेकिंग x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू t, so 2x dx equal to 1 and dt, 2x dx 1 dt, and putting x square equal to t, t plus 1 and t plus 3. So here two methods are possible. Method number 1 partial fraction, method number 2 perfect square. So first multiplying both the brackets, so t square plus 3t plus t, 4t plus 3. If your midterm is 4, then what can we say about the last term? 4 plus 4 and minus 1. Ready? 1 upon t plus 2 whole square and minus 1. Taking t plus 2 equal to u, 1 dt 1 du. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगी आपकी? अभी नेक्स्ट आपको करना है t plus 2 इक्वल टू पुटिंग u, तो u स्क्वायर माइनस 1. अभी हमने पहले 17 सम किया, 17 में सेम ही था, u स्क्वायर माइनस 1, वहां पर 1/2 था. ओके, तो फॉर्मूला 1/2 है लॉग मोड u माइनस a अपॉन u प्लस a इज 1. बराबर, देन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ u and then put the value of t. Understood? Formula is in u form. First answer is in u form. Put the value of u. So answer of u in t form and answer of t is a x square. So final answer we need in the x form. Okay? U, put the value of u. So t form and put the value of t. So x form. Okay? So next number 20. तो ये सब भी अगर हम लेंथी करें तो हो सकता है कि ये फैक्टराइजेशन, ये तो हमने कर लिया है, ओनली x पावर 4 एंड माइनस 1. कितना लेंथी था वो, तो बराबर, ये तो 1 अपॉन x एंड x पावर 4 माइनस 1, तो सेम लेंथी सम होगा ना. तो सेम मैंने आपको बोला कि फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पर देख लो, देन बाद में आपका माइंड चलना चाहिए कि चलो दिस टाइप ऑफ मेथड्स आल्सो पॉसिबल. 1 ब्रैकेट इज x पावर 4 माइनस 1, तो माइनस x पावर 4 एंड प्लस x पावर 4 एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट. dx. Now this is x power 4 minus 1 and this is 1 minus x power 4. So here minus common, then bracket x power 4 minus 1 upon x into x power 4 minus 1 plus here 1 time x cancel. So x cube upon x power 4 minus 1 dx. So this bracket cancel or not? So here left minus 1 by x and plus x cube upon x power 4 minus 1 dx. This integration direct possible. In this integration x power 4 equal to we can take t. So minus integration 1 by x dx and plus integration x cube upon x raised to 4 minus 1 dx. So equal to first integration including minus sign is I1 and plus I2. Or what is I1? Minus integration 1 by x dx. So answer of I1 minus log mod x plus C1. Now solving I2. I2 equal to integration x cube upon x raised to 4 and minus 1 dx, taking x raised to 4 equal to t. So 4x cube dx 1 dt. We have x cube dx. So x cube dx equal to 1 by 4 dt. I2 integration x cube dx equal to 1 by 4 dt upon x power 4 is a t minus 1. 1 by 4 common and integration of I2 is log mod t minus 1 plus C2. So I2 equal to 1 by 4 log mod t. What is t? X power 4 minus 1 and plus C2, and this is our number 3. Now putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 1. I1 and I2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is a I1 plus I2. Answer of I1 minus log mod x and plus C1 याद रखो, and I2 1 by 4 log mod x raised to 4 minus 1 plus C, where C equal to C1 plus C2. माइनस तो हमने यहाँ पर ले लिया है, तो C1 इज पॉजिटिव प्लस C2. हाँ, टेक्स्ट बुक में डिफरेंट है, यहाँ पर 4 LCM लिया है, हमें नहीं करना है. दिस इज अवर फाइनल आंसर. ओके, मिक्स भी नहीं करना है. फाइनल मीन्स दिस इज फाइनल आंसर. ओके, चलो तो नाउ अप टू 20 और बीच में 18 बाकी है, 18 एंड 21. ओके, बाकी 2 MCQ है.